All right, Monday morning, March 17th. I pulled out, didn't find a razor blade, but I had kind of sharp-edged plexiglass cutters, like cutting plexiglass for picture frames. And I was able to scrape off the that big ink blob that landed there, just leaving a little there. Like, see it kind of like a letter C shape, but it's okay. Well, maybe I'll take a little bit more off. Okay. I might go over that with dots. Clean it up a bit more. I think it'll be okay. As far as this one here, I think I'll leave that and maybe add some dots around it, just have it kind of like a dark shadow on that's left side of her nose, nostril, nose. Viewer's right, of course. Okay, to be continued. I got to work on the hair up here. And then I got all the hair around. Okay, coming along. Budgies, how are we doing? No feedback? Breakfast time? Okay, I understand. It's about 7:45, something like that in the morning. Okay.